This is Peterson, one of our account managers. The purpose of his visit is to guide the client on whether a temporary repair or full repair is needed. Find the cause, fix the cause, dry any damaged areas to avoid dangerous mold from developing. And now you're ready for the crew to show up. Our technicians use 3 pieces of equipment to help assess your property's water damage problems: moisture meters, a flare gun, and a moisture reader. They document their findings, and now it's time to get to work. It's all about protecting your property. What you see here is our technicians rolling out floor protection paper to keep your property clean and protected while walking in and out. All of our technicians are required to wear proper PPE-like suits, masks, and gloves while executing your project. Technicians will wipe down your household items in the affected areas to eliminate any dangerous surface mold that might have developed and stow them away before they begin the work. What you see here is the technicians setting up a containment barrier in the entryway of the kitchen. This is done to separate the affected area from the other living spaces to contain the drying process. Following the containment barrier setup, our technicians will clean the area with a HEPA vacuum. This special vacuum will remove more microscopic mold spores, dust mites, dust, and other allergens from the air than a non-HEPA vacuum. Then, we will mop the area to ensure your property is left in a pristine condition. In addition, we will wipe down any tables or furniture that is in the containment area and lift the furniture with a block and tab. This helps make furniture easier to move and protects the floors from getting scratched or stained if the furniture is wet. These are high-speed air movers that the technician is carrying in. All of this equipment helps with circulating, cleaning, and drying the air. Our goal is to dry the areas you don't see, where the dangerous mold likes to hide and thrive. Usually, we leave the drying equipment for 3 to 6 days. These are used to eliminate odors and break down volatile organic compounds in indoor environments. So we have cleaned, set up the drying equipment, checked initial baseline moisture levels, and documented our findings. This is what the final setup could look like in a property. Now it's time for our technicians to remove the protection floor paper and leave the property. Our technicians come back every day to check the humidity levels of the property to ensure it's getting dry. Now that the affected area is properly dry, it's time to take down the containment barrier, remove equipment, and put all the furniture back in its place. Finally, our technicians give the customer an overview summary of what they did on the property. The client signs the certificate of completion and the dry-out process is finished. Our job is complete. We always recommend performing a simple mold test, duct cleaning, and a sanitation at the end of our drying job. Even after we leave, we still got you covered. From open communication lines to claim documentation, we give you that peace of mind.